very, very basic questions. Do we promote or introduce our shopping mall to our contacts, to our prospect, and especially for our business partners, those are new ones. And I think this is much more important for all of us to go with. Yes, we know we have the product. How can we duplicate ourselves? How can we utilize these systems to introduce that membership in Atomy is free? How can we present the goodness of our product? I was surprised, a lot of people that I talked this past couple of weeks, yes, they haven't seen our shopping mall, but they were already a member of Atomy, was already registered, but still never got a chance to browse our shopping mall. So with us in here as a business-minded, interested people already in this chat or in this group right now. So I think it is very important for us to introduce our shopping mall. And this is the pride of our business. We are not just like a product seller, but we are a proud online shopping mall as well. So understanding about Atomy, that requires that we also explore our shopping mall online. And we don't need to ship product to right from Philippines to Canada or from Canada to Australia because we have those branches already. And remember, when we have a friend or a relatives that lives in other countries like Europe, let's say right now for us, we have Jenny from Germany, we have Monad from Abu Dhabi, we have Hazel from Paris. So if we do know other people that lives in the other country or in Europe or in other countries like here, I think it is very important for us just to send the link of our shopping mall and have them to take a look with our online mall. And you can see all the products that we have in here already, right? I am here right now on Canada site, and I can switch this site into Australian. So some of the people will ask me, how about some other Filipinos that are living in Australia? It depends. When we register them, look, we just have to explore the join us, and we can tell what kind of requirements does already require from Australian side. Over 18 years of age, of course, and must be a resident of Australia and want an easy access to Atomy product first. Let's go with just a consumer, right? But what does it require to be a consumer? It's a simple email and their personal information. What about if they want to be a distributor? Then they will sign up to be a distributor, and that requires information like bank account, like their IBAN or the tax account in Australia. So, or the ABN account, Australian, I think, business number. So those are the information that we can actually explore on our own. And then we can promote this business to others that we know. I think that is what just the basic information that we need to explore with our Atomy site. What else? Our office, of course, we want to have this. Today's PV, I wish there will be like a 50 million points in here and 50 million points for me, right, every day. But it is coming. I know it will come. It may take time for me, maybe 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but that's okay. We know that this business, it will be until third generation that will benefit for mine, right? My family. So it will take me, it will take me 20 years to build this point, this income that will give me $1,500 a day of income. Why not? But I will not wait for 20 years. I will do it every single day until I reach these 50 million points every day. But what is my purpose is to pass it to my next generation. Do you know that? For some of us in here, like Alma, Alms, hi Alms, welcome and thank you for joining us. So this is a very good story that Alma and her husband, we know each other since what, 8 years already. But I haven't discussed to her about Atomy. I didn't get a chance. All of a sudden, they were registered by the Paris team. So what a coincidence. We are seeing each other in here, but it's my lack of time to discuss to them about the Atomy business opportunity. So what Ryan, the husband, told me, why you didn't tell me this long time ago? I said, well, sorry, my bad. Yeah, we played basketball, but I never got a chance to talk to you about the business. But here we are right now. So the system, explore the system. There's a lot of resources for us to learn. What is our Atomy Global Mall? What is our CH.Atomy? These are all resources and link that we can also learn about our company, right? This is from Australia. And we can change this one into any countries that we would love to, the Philippines. Of course, here is the Philippine website of our shopping mall. So how can we really maximize this potential of the business? How about the product? What kind of product do we have in here? And I think, like spirulina, what is the use of this product for us? Going back into my topic for today, and I'm sure this will be an exciting topic for all of us, but again, I will remind myself and every one of us in here. This is an Atomy personal platform business. Do I know what kind of online business is this? I myself, not yet. Every single day, every meeting that I am attending, I am learning and trying to understand it, what kind of business and how can I be effective on sharing this business? What line of products do we have here? Yes, I want to have my own business, but if I don't know the product itself, I don't think it will be productive for me or for us. The market coverage, how huge the market of Atomy, right? It is very, very huge to look up. Okay, how to build the binary system, we can discuss more about that soon. But let me again emphasize the importance of self-development. Yes, the market and the product, the system, which is our tools to be successful here in Atomy. And most importantly, let's do the business with full heart for our dream in the future.